Alright, what's up YouTube family? So today I was able to trade CDE. This was one of Yahoo's top losers. I know it wasn't down by much, but 17% is, it's alright. But at the same time, I'm looking to make a profit. So I go ahead, do my checklist, see if there's a lot of volume. Okay, there's a lot of volume. I see that a recent spike from $9.70 to $10 has happened. Now, let me go ahead and look at my other indicators. Other than the RSI, I have other indicators to make sure that I'm going to secure a profit or a potential profit is going to happen for me. So, once I do that, I go ahead and buy it at $9.79. Once I buy $9.79, I'm trying to plot my trend line. I'm trying to make sure that I'm plotting out good support for the stock. And as you see, the stock was just trading sideways, just for maybe about 30 minutes or so. And then a conference call came in, and that was kind of weird to me for a conference call to happen right now, but I did not listen in onto it. So what I did was I just checked the indicators. Indicators showed me a green light for go ahead, and there should be more buyers coming in. And as soon as you know it, you seen a little bar go up, and it went back down, and then you start to see recent spikes in the stock. Now the stock did go to $9.90. It's almost at I think it's almost back at $10. But I really didn't have a goal for the stock. I bought more UPS with my remaining balance. I went ahead and traded my money because I don't want my money to be sitting on the sideline without appreciating itself. So what I did, I'll go ahead. I wanted to do a quick trade, so I went ahead. I did my checklist. Made sure my indicators gave me a green light. After I got a green light, I went ahead and bought. Now, my patience was kind of wearing thin with this stock because of the sideways trading and it wasn't moving like I wanted to move. So, once the volume started to pick up and once the buying started to pick up, I said, okay, I'm not, really sure if this thing is gonna spike back up or if it's gonna go back up to recent highs. So what I did was I went ahead and sold at $9.84. Now when I sold at $9.84, the stock dropped a little bit, and I was like, okay, I see it's going back. Now my indicator showed me another green light that just happened, and which caused the stock to go right back up, almost at $10. Now it's almost up to $10 now. The current price is $9.91. Now the whole point of this video is for you to understand how to utilize your indicators and how to use them the right way so that way you can make some money. I sold a little bit, I sold way too early, but at the same time, I'm still taking a profit, and nobody gets hurt when you take a profit. Where's Jim Cramer? So, like I said, when you want to, place that trade, go ahead and do a checklist and make sure that it meets all your requirements. And once it meets all your requirements, go ahead and put it into your charts and make sure your indicators are giving you a green light to go ahead and buy that stock. And once the indicators give you a green light, go ahead and buy that stock and you should have a profit. But not everybody uses the same indicators, not everybody uses the same strategies. So I'm expecting for your strategy to be a little bit different from mine, but it might be similar to mine because this is all you see, or this is the only channel that you watch for stock market. But I want you guys to explore more strategies. I don't want you to just bite off my strategy and just think that's going to work every single time, because I don't win every single time. I do win majority of the time, but I don't win every single time when I'm using RSI. So I want to use other indicators, and I will not disclose that other indicator. You might see at the bottom, but I use a little bit more. But that's all I have for you guys. More videos on the way for investing and trading. So take care.